If you wanted to use a link to Windows on Samsung Galaxy A57, then first of all, we need to open Settings. Over here in Settings, we're going to proceed to connect the devices, and then in here we should be able to choose a link to Windows. Of course, in order to be able to use it, we need to sign into our Microsoft account, but we can also scan a QR code that you can get on your PC by opening the Phone Link app. So I'm going to choose sign in using the QR code over here. And then on your desktop, you want to open the Phone Link app, which should be pre-installed, and you want to proceed by clicking on Android over here. This should allow you to get this QR code, so of course you want to scan it with your phone. After that, on your phone, you want to tap on Continue, and you need to enter a code that is being displayed on your computer, in the Phone Link app, of course. You might also need to go through additional verification steps like sending a code to your email in order to verify that it is you who is trying to, of course, access the account. And once you sign in, you should be able to use Link to Windows with your phone. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.